Hello students, in today's video lecture we are going to discuss about the concerted mechanism for the oxidative addition of adding molecules into the coordinate compounds or organometallic compounds. We already know that oxidative addition involves the addition of ligands, thereby increasing the coordination number of the metal, and the oxidation state of metal is also increased by 2 units. There are basically three types of mechanisms for oxidative addition. The first one is concerted mechanism, the second is SN2 mechanism, and the third one is radical mechanism. But in this case we are only concentrated about the concerted mechanism for oxidative addition. So in this type of mechanism, the first one is there is formation of a three-centered transition state which follows an associative substitution type mechanism. So if we consider a complex, journal complex in which metal is M and n number of ligands are already attached to it, and we are adding a molecule of type AB, we will get a sigma complex. There is formation of a sigma complex. So these sigma bonded electrons will be transferred to metal. In the next step, there is formation of the transition state in which there is formation of new bonds between M and A, M and B, and cleavage of the old stronger AB bond, and finally we will get ligand A and B attached to metal. So if initially this metal is having a count of 16 electron and oxidation state of metal as plus N, the reagent AB which we are going to add through this concerted mechanism should be non-polar. So this non-polar molecule will transfer its electrons to the electron deficient metal through the formation of a sigma complex. Now because there is transfer of 2 electrons, the count of the electron increases to 18. However, there is no change in the oxidation state of the metal. In the transition state also there is no change in oxidation state, and we are having 18 electron species with same oxidation state of metal. But in the final product we have an 18 electron species with oxidation state of metal increased by 2 units. So we have added A and B into the central metal through oxidative addition involving concerted mechanism. So here is that a transition state where we are getting a 3-membered cyclic form or structure. This is that transition state. The next important point is, the second important point is the adding molecule. As we discussed earlier, AB should be non-polar in nature, and if you see these type of molecules which are being added to the metal, that process will definitely show the concerted type of mechanism. So what are the common non-polar molecules which are added through concerted mechanism? That can be hydrogen, that can be halogens, that can be alkanes, even substituted alkanes. We can have silanes, tri-substituted silanes, and even some aryl halides. So this was the second important point. The next one is the reaction follows a second order kinetics. Why so? Because in rate determining step we are having complex and non-polar reagent. And since this non-polar reagent is added through the formation of sigma complex, it means the rate of reaction is dependent on the concentration of complex as well as non-polar reagents. So we can write it as rate is proportional to K is a rate constant, into concentration of complex into concentration of adding molecule. So we have a second order kinetics for concerted reaction mechanism for oxidative addition. The next important point is the polarity of the solvent. Since the transition state formed, which was the transition state, this is the case, this transition state is non-polar and hence is not affected by the polarity of the solvent. So a rate of a reaction, if is not changing with the change in polarity of the solvent, it must be a concerted type of mechanism. The last point is, this is important, if any of the atom of the adding molecule is chiral. For example, we have this case, we have 4 different groups here, A, B, C and H. Then in that case, the chirality of this carbon atom is not disturbed even after the attack. Means there is no change in the conformation of the product. This group will have same type of conformation as it was earlier. So what is important from this part, we can confirm the type of mechanism by the rate, which should be of a second order, and the most important, the polarity of the solvent will not at all affect the rate of the reaction. Now let us discuss a few examples for the concerted type of mechanism. So I am considering the example of Vaska's complex. It is a complex of iridium in which iridium is coordinated to one CO group, and to this CO group at trans position we have one halogen atom, and if this halogen atom is chlorine, then it is called Vaska's complex, and 2 ligands L, which can be triphenyl phosphine. So if to this molecule we add H2 molecule, there is initially formation of a 5-membered intermediate stage which will have trigonal bipyramidal geometry, which can be shown like this. Here we have CO, then Cl, then this is the sigma complex. In Vaska's complex, iridium is in +1 oxidation state. The geometry of the complex is square planar and it is an 16 electron complex. We know that iridium belongs to cobalt family, so we have 9 electrons. I am applying covalent method for the counting of the electron. For chlorine we have 1 electron donation, and for CO 2 electron donation, and for 2 triphenyl phosphine groups each will donate 2 electrons. The total count is 9 plus 1 10, 12 and 4 16 electrons. So this is the 16 electron compound. So it is coordinately unsaturated, and after gaining 2 electrons from the sigma bond of the hydrogen molecule, it becomes an 18 electron complex. But now the geometry is trigonal bipyramidal, and finally we will get the complex in which the 2 hydrogen atoms are now coordinated as separate ligands to the Vaska's complex. here we have 2 L, and then one of this is Cl, and one is carbon monoxide as ligand. Now the geometry of the complex is octahedral, and the oxidation state of the metal is now +3. So oxidation state of the metal has been changed from +1 to +3, and the coordination number has been changed from 4 to 6. So this is a very well known example of oxidative addition, which is following a concerted mechanism. So the 3-member transition state for this complex can be shown like this. I am just taking iridium, then 2 hydrogen atoms. So this was the transition state. So that is finally converted into the final product with higher oxidation state of the metal. And remember this thing, the 2 hydrogen atoms, because they are being added at cis position to each other if mechanism is concerted one, because both these atoms will reside in close vicinity to each other because of this concerted type mechanism. So you can see here both these atoms will be close to each other, and the closest approach is the cis conformation of the final product. So this was the example. Now what if the complex is already an 18 electron compound? If the complex already contains 18 electrons, in this case we started with a complex having 16 electrons, means we started with coordinately unsaturated complex. What will be the case if the complex is already having 18 electron count? So it is assumed that the compound will not undergo oxidative addition type reactions, but it can still undergo oxidative type addition reactions. How that can be possible? That is possible by losing one of the already coordinated ligand. So if we have the case, again using the complex of iridium, if we have 3CO and L2 with +1 oxidation state, so we can have the electron count. For iridium we know that it is 9 electrons, plus for 3 CO groups we have a total donation of 6 electrons, plus 2 L groups, they are triphenyl phosphines. So there are 2 such groups, each will donate 2 electrons, and due to that +1 charge there is loss of 1 electrons. We can have the total electron as 9 plus 6 plus 4 minus 1. So this comes out to be 18. So this compound is having 18 electrons in it. So this compound is already coordinatively saturated, but it can still undergo oxidative type addition through concerted mechanism, means it can bind to hydrogen by losing its one of the CO ligand. We can have this one Cr CO3 L2 plus 1, which is having trigonal bipyramidal geometry. Electron count is 18 electron. It will lose initially one of its CO to give IR CO2 L2 plus 1. Now it becomes 16 electron species, coordinately unsaturated now. Now it can easily bind to hydrogen through that sigma complex, and finally to give an octahedral complex. In this case we can clearly see that whether the compound is coordinately saturated or unsaturated, it can bind to the any sigma donor ligand like hydrogen, alkanes, silanes, and even aryl halides, not alkyl halides, aryl halides, to form sigma complex, which will finally result in the formation of a 3-member transition state, and the final product will be formed. We have an example in which hepaticity is changed from eta 6 to eta 4. This is the complex of anthracene with molybdenum, which additionally have 3 trialkyl phosphine groups. So here there is a donation of 6 electrons, so it is eta 6 complex. So if we count the electrons, we can have 6 electrons from this anthracene ligand plus molybdenum, because it belongs to chromium family. We have 6 electrons from this one, and each trialkyl phosphine donates 2 electrons, and there are 3 such groups. The total electron count is 6 plus 6 plus 6, it is 18 electrons. So this compound is also coordinatively saturated, but prior to addition of hydrogen, it can change the hepaticity from eta 6 to eta 4 to give 16 electron complex like this. Here the hepaticity is 4. Now 4 electrons from this part, 6 from metal, and total 6 from 3 trialkyl phosphines. So we have now 16 electron count. Now molybdenum can bind to hydrogen molecule to give an intermediate state like this, in which now anthracene moiety is acting as 4 electron donor. So this is the case. Here we have that sigma complex, and after that there is formation of the 3-member transition state. I am again not plotting complete structure, just representing it in this way, and finally we will get a product. So it is now clear with the examples that whether the complex is having 18 electron or 16 electrons, they can undergo concerted type of mechanism by adding some non-polar groups. Polarity does not affect the rate of the reaction. In concerted mechanism, the reaction follows a second order kinetics. Thank you.